Welcome to Colombia! Welcome, wonderful people all over the world. My name is Frank, I'm Swiss and I'm a tour operator in Bogota, Colombia. I'm currently on a very long trip and I'm visiting today the Aviary, El Aviario Nacional. This is on the peninsula Barú, like 90 minutes from Cartagena. If you like birds and nature and animals, or you have kids, this is an absolute great activity. I just made the tour all around with the guide and it was so much fun. It's quite big and it's privately run. It's a hard project and so many cool birds, so beautiful. Very, very nice made. You have those double doors getting into the different environments. Awesome stuff. So I take you around to show you what you can find and then you decide yourself if this is something for you and your family maybe, and then you can decide. So here is the entrance with the map. Let's go. So this is the entrance of the aviary and they started planning it in 2006. And they opened the location in 2016. It's a one-directional trail with over 20 stations. And you can find all kind of birds here. Most are rescued from bird trafficking. Also they do reproduction purposes. And also you have birds with missing parts, so it's a recovery station. And the idea is that you walk it alone, and in every station you will find explanations, and we will go and find out everything we can see here. And here at the entrance, as you can see, you will have a map where you have the overview, and then you just start the trail, and now we go find out what we can find here on the trail and how many birds we can see. So here at the beginning of the trail we have some explanations of the birds. It's currently all in Spanish, but they have a project to translate it all in English. That is coming, but everything is private here. It's a private institution, so they don't have state funding. So, you know, then you cannot do everything and just waste money all the time. Here we have explanations where the birds are coming from, what are birds actually. They're old as the dinosaurs, they survived, much older than humans, and they're still evolving. So this is actually the entrance to the trail, like on the first 20 meters. So we will enter now the first habitat, tropical humid forest. This is a closed area. And first it will be a little bit dark. And we have double doors like Fort Knox, so that the birds do not escape. We have more explanations on the sides. Oh, the first birds. Look at this. So sweet. There are birds all over. It's amazing. As you can see, the birds are just coming. It's unbelievable. It's quite big. This is, as you can see, has the big blue, and this is amazing. They're just coming. Also here on the viewpoint we have infographics of all the birds that you can find in the habitat. So also, if you're like me and don't know too much about birds, it's very easy with all the explanations and the pictures. It's really awesome. They also have a couple of Harpy eagles, a female and male, and the Harpy eagles are the most powerful. They're not the biggest ones, but the most powerful eagles, and they have a shorter wingspan because they hunt mostly in the Amazon, in the forest. They go for monkeys and sloths and everything, and they're now, it's difficult to liberate them, so they use them for reproduction. And in Colombia there are two places I know you can see them. This is in Palmarí. This is a lodge when you go to Leticia, and also in the department of Meta, the capital is Villavicencio. There they found a couple nesting. When I was there they said currently not, but in the future we'll be able to visit them. So Harpy eagle, still one of my dreams to see them like in nature, in freedom. Beautiful birds, beautiful. So this is mostly small birds for taking pictures close up. That's just the perfect space because you have all the nature background and you get very close. Beautiful. Hey Colombia traveler! Do not miss out on the great additional information we always provide below in the description sections of all our videos. Now back to the video. And here's the entrance of the presentation. They told me it's not a show, so they do not like do crazy stuff. It's at 11:30 and 3:30 in the afternoon every day. They present some nice birds. And here, this is right at the entrance, as you can hear, many birds, guacamayas, papagayos. It's like the house of the guacamayas, it's full, they're very noisy. And they have all colors, really beautiful. Oh, look at those guys. Oh, they look like they're a nice couple.